Hey everyone, it's by God Almighty, and we're watching Mouse Cleaning, which the people on the Patreon got 3 days earlier, because they're part of the pack. So if you'd like to join, go into my link down below. Alright, let's go. We got Mama cleaning the floors here. Yeah, I've had my back crack like that.
Whole house is clean. And brother, it better stay that way.
Oh, you don't want to get this mama mad. Tom? It's over, homie. He's gonna get the whooping of a lifetime.
Hold on there, you no good cat. Under my clean floor. Get up here. Take this mouse.
Yeah.
And furthermore, if I
Ooh, mama's going out.
dirt in this house when I get back, we is gonna be -1 cat around here.
-1 cat. She gonna smack the fur out of you, boy.
And this
He's such a dumb brute, man. Hey, that's dirty too. Get that fly out of here. Dude, cat saliva. Dirty up that house, boy. Nah, that smell's gonna be there. Genius. Tomato. Oh, what beautiful color. It just magically comes off. No. Zora! Come on. Nah, that's hilarious. That was nice. Impressive. Can you make me an omelet? Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, I thought it was gonna be Mama. Yeah, get that old boy out of here. It just stopped abruptly. Emergency entrance. I'd never even heard of that concept. No. He's good, man. Jerry's really good at his job. Oh. It's over. Well, time to go dig your own grave. Okay, if he does it fast enough, he might be able to get it done. Coals, yes! Someone's been a bad boy. Mama incoming. Mama is gonna be mad.
when I get a hold of that low down good for nothing. Hey,
Yo, she's so mad that you can't even understand her.
I ain't seen no cat around here. There ain't no cat.
Yo!
No, ma'am.
Oh no, dude, you got Tom doing blackface. Oh man. All right, man. Wow, what a banger, man. That was a cat's pajamas, man. You know what I'm saying? And just ahead of time, I want to thank. Wait, what? Who was it? It was Unicorn Fairy 42. I would not think Unicorn. I would not think that you would recommend this. And by the way, Unicorn Fairy recommended the uncensored version, and now I see why. We had Blackface Tom. That was a wild man. He was like, "Oh no, ma'am, I ain't seen no cat around here." Like straight up. That old like classic racist cartoon. You know what I'm saying? Oh man. Well, the thing is, I don't think it's racist. I just think it's like they just wouldn't do it today, and it kind of sucks because it is funny. Like it's hilarious, man. You know, it wasn't in a hateful way, and that's why it's funny. But anyway, yeah, that episode was a banger, man. I love the concept of, Jerry getting the house dirty and Tom having to clean it up. And then Tom still being a rascal, a total demon, man. Like, he acts like an angel, when Mama lays down the law. And then when she, like, turns her back, he's like, blah, 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 blah. Just a total demon, man. Ridiculous. What a banger episode. But anyway, if you guys want to recommend anything for me to watch, put it in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.